Rose Bowl, 1929, there was a guy by the name of Regals. You ever hear him? Yeah. And it was University of California versus Georgia Tech. And University of California, Regals was the center. And, you know, it's like a hometown crowd, Pasadena, right? And there's a fumble right before halftime. And, you know, in the confusion of everything, he picks it up. He's a great big guy. And he runs 65 yards with the ball. Guess what? In the wrong direction. It's like, I mean, I just in the wrong 65 in the wrong direction. Back in the crowd, like, what were they saying? Like, stop, you know, instead of go, like, stop. And one of his teammates is like chasing after him, you know. And in desperation, he like trips him up somehow, and he falls short on the 1 yard line. So he doesn't score a touchdown. But he's like, and then the clock runs out for the first half. So he goes in the locker room. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? National television, millions of people watching. He's got his head in his hands. The coach gives a pep talk. Everybody gets up. Halftime's almost over. Suit up, go back out. Here's Regals, head in his hands. And the coach goes, let's go, Regals. Put your chin strap on. Get out there. He's like, Coach, I can't. I've ruined your name. I've ruined the University of California's name. I've ruined my own name. I could never face that crowd again. And his coach has these famous words. He says, Regals, get out there now. The game is only half over. He went on to be an incredible World War II veteran. He went on to be an entrepreneur, became a high school football coach, and actually coached at the University of California at one time, lived to be 84 years old. I want to say to some of us here today, no matter where you're at, no matter what you're doing, it's only half over.